Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we provide expert reviews on the latest products to help you make the best decisions. Today, we're looking at a nifty accessory for Vitamix owners, the Vitamix Personal Cup Adapter. If you've got a full-size Vitamix blender, this product might just be a game changer. It's designed to give you the convenience of blending individual portions with less mess and less food waste. Let's see if this adapter lives up to the expectations. The Vitamix Personal Cup Adapter comes with everything you need to blend smaller, personal-sized portions without using your full-size container. The set includes two 20-ounce cups, two spill-proof lids, and of course, the adapter. These cups are BPA-Free, double-insulated, and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The cups also feature a leak-proof seal, which adds a nice layer of security for on-the-go blending. One of the standout features is the laser-cut stainless steel blades. These blades are the same as those in the Vitamix full-size containers, so you're getting the same powerful performance with these smaller cups. This means that even with a smaller portion size, you can still get smooth, consistent blends. The 20-ounce cup size is perfect for single servings, whether it's a quick smoothie, protein shake, or even a small batch of soup. In terms of real-world usage, setting up the Personal Cup Adapter is incredibly simple. After attaching the adapter to your Vitamix base, you just lock the 20-ounce cup in place and you're ready to blend. I tested it with a variety of ingredients: smoothie mixes, frozen fruit, and even some nut butter. The results were great. Blends were smooth, no chunks, and the consistency was on point. The cleanup process is easy too, as the cups are top rack dishwasher safe. Simply rinse out the cup, toss it in the dishwasher, and it's good as new. But of course, no product is perfect. One thing to note is that this adapter is only compatible with full-size Vitamix blenders, excluding the Ascent and Venturist series. So, if you own one of those models, you're out of luck. Additionally, while the cups are double insulated, they won't keep your blends cold for hours on end. So if you're planning to take your drink with you on a longer trip, you might want to pack it in a cooler bag for extra insulation. When it comes to performance, this adapter delivers exactly what it promises. The blending power is consistent with Vitamix's reputation, and the 20-ounce cups make it ideal for small servings. If you've been frustrated with trying to make just one smoothie and not wanting to waste ingredients in a large container, this is a perfect solution. On the flip side, if you prefer making larger quantities of drinks or meals, this might feel a bit limiting. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Vitamix Personal Cup Adapter is priced to match Vitamix's premium brand, and it's definitely not the cheapest option on the market. But if you already own a Vitamix and you value convenience and precision when making individual portions, this accessory is a solid investment. Comparatively, there are other personal-sized blender attachments available for different brands, but Vitamix's build quality, laser-cut stainless steel blades, and the ease of use definitely give this one an edge over its competitors. In terms of build quality, the adapter is solid, and the materials used are top-notch. The BPA-free double-insulated cups feel sturdy and well-made, and the adapter itself has a good weight to it, which suggests that it's designed to last. As for long-term durability, Vitamix has a reputation for quality, and considering that this adapter uses the same laser-cut stainless steel blades as their full-size models, it's safe to assume it will last for a long time with proper care. If you've ever needed customer support, Vitamix has a strong reputation for responsive service. I didn't have to contact them for this review, but their customer service team is known to be helpful and quick to respond in case of any issues. To wrap things up, the Vitamix Personal Cup Adapter is an excellent tool for anyone who wants the convenience of a personal blender with the power and reliability of a full-size Vitamix machine. It's a great option for those who make small batches of smoothies, soups, or shakes and want to avoid food waste. It performs well, is easy to clean, and its build quality is top-notch. However, it's not for everyone. If you own an Ascent or Venturist series Vitamix, or if you need to blend larger quantities, this may not be the right fit for you. If you think this could be the perfect accessory for your Vitamix, the link to get it is in the comments box. Thanks for watching, And let us know your thoughts in the comments if you've used this product before. We'll catch you next time on Reviews Inside TV. Goodbye till next time. Stay blending.